Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to be unbagging this Vanessa's Vanity. There's a mystery. I got a mystery bag on Black Friday. So I ordered this on Black Friday weekend. It is almost January. I did message her and she did say she got a ton of orders she wasn't expecting. Good for her. So it took a little longer. I'm pretty I don't really care, okay? I'm excited that I got it, and I'm excited to show you what's in it. This is my first time trying Vanessa's Vanity. I am going to do a look with this at the end, but I got this the day before I filmed my look. Okay, people that wait to unbox their stuff, like how in the world do you do that? My shirt is literally on backwards. It's alright. I seriously open it like this. I just went out to the mailbox and got this. The mailman just drove by my house and I went and got it. I don't understand how people wait until they have time to film it to leave their things open. So I filmed it with the look that I did. This was from my Sunday Will I Buy It's. But I had to film this right away. So I'm going to unbag this right now, and then tomorrow I will film a look using what I got in here. Angel wings. So there's this little bag and there's this little packet here. You know what? I'm also going to do swatches today. Okay, so this is angel wings. I don't know what this is. This is part of the mystery bag. November 22nd. Everything was half price. I purchased Universal Translucent Light Responsive Pressed Highlighter. Okay, and that retails for $11, so I got it for $5.50. There's what it looks like. And there is the swatch of it. I'm going to pop them in my Sephora Z palette here. And I also purchased Wicked Plum, which is a pressed eyeshadow pigment in a satin shimmer. Vibrant blue based purple with a hint of magenta. This one ooh, that's pretty. This one retails for $6, so I got it for $3. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I purchased a mystery box. So it was $20 for the mystery box. You're supposed to get 60% savings. So, you know, I should probably go to her website so we can see what these things cost. Loose highlighter is $9. So I paid $20 and so far we're at $9. It's got a little sifter on top so you don't get too much. I hope this is not like the same color. That is really close to the one that I picked out. Maybe a little more, what's the word I'm looking for? Wet skin looking. Like it would blend more with your skin, that loose one. I might use both tomorrow. Use one on each cheek. Alright, so we're up to $9. Then I've got another eyeshadow in Invisible Gold. So that's up to $15. Ooh, this looks pretty. So here's this. It looks like it's a shifting one. Ooh, that is pretty. Excited for that. Another eyeshadow in Vintage Champagne. They must not know me very well. These are a lot of, I mean, it's a mystery bag. Oh my gosh, that one is good though. Look, this is what I love about indie brands. Like, they always have the most amazing shimmer shadows. We have Unspoken. I don't know what this is. I may be like in highlighter heaven here with this mystery bag. Okay, so none of the remaining 3 products are on their website. So this is Unspoken. I'm guessing this is a highlighter. So that's like a champagne pink highlighter. Very pretty. This is Electricity. This is another highlighter. This one is like an iridescent green. That reminds me of Ghost from AMI Hearts Beauty. This would also be a good eyeshadow topper. And then the last thing is Blushing Bride. I'm hoping this is a blush because I don't really want another highlighter. This looks like maybe a blush topper. Very pretty. Yeah, I would say that's more of a blush topper or a highlighter from like a deeper skin tone. So that is what's in my mystery bag. Okay, so let's go over what I got here. I mean, you can't deny how gorgeous those things are. I just wish I would have gotten maybe a little more of a variety in my mystery bag. So, but it is a mystery bag, so you know you're not going to get exactly what you want in it. So I purchased these two on the bottom for half price on Black Friday. And then these three highlighters that I got in, or blush topper, whatever you want to call it, I got in the mystery bag. Actually, these 4 highlighters got in the mystery bag. And then these 2 eyeshadows. So 12, I paid $20 for the mystery bag. It was a $54 value. So I think it's a great way to try out this, you know, this line of products. I've got some different things to try out. I'm really excited to try this loose one because it looks like one that's just going to kind of melt into the skin. Although it's very icy, so I hope that looks okay on my skin tone. And yeah, I mean, I'll be trying all of these. So tomorrow, but today for you guys, because it's still going to be in this video, I am going to try some of these eyeshadows and highlighters for you guys to see how they perform on the eyes. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So we're just going to try on some of these. This is obviously the next day. I just have got like some neutral transition shades on my eyes to go with the shades that I got from Vanessa's Vanity. Where did they go? Here they are. I did use a different kind of curling iron today, so liking this a little better. This is a tapered barrel. All right. So I did want to mention, because I know I was like, oh, I got a lot of highlighters. Vanessa's Vanity is a lot of highlighters is what they sell. Highlighters, eyeshadows, they've got some loose pigments and then some loose highlighters. So obviously if you're getting a mystery bag from a brand that's what they sell, that's what you're going to get. Did not at all mean to sound like I was complaining. So today I'm going to go ahead, we're going to use the blush topper. So I just used like a matte, what did I use? The Physicians Formula Rose something blush. Just so I would have a matte blush down so we could use the blush topper. I'm going to use this. This little pointer's cracking me up. What is this highlighter? I'm going to use this highlighter in Transparent Ice and also this highlighter in Angel Wings because I think they look very similar. So I want to see the difference in the loose highlighter versus the pressed highlighter. And then, I don't know, I'm probably going to use the purple. This one is so stinking pretty. Maybe I should just do 2 different eyes. I might just put this one all over one eye and then use this one in the inner corner for both eyes and the purple all over the other eye, just so we can kind of try them all out. So that is what I am going to do today, but these also would make, these are the highlighters I'm not using today. They're all so pretty. I will use them in upcoming videos as well. And then I'll probably put them in a Shop My Stash sometime in 2019 so I can get some more use out of them and let you guys know what I think about them. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the loose highlighter. So this is Angel Wings, and I'm going to put this on one side. So it's got the little sifter there so you can just get out a little bit. That's pretty. It is a little icy. You probably don't need very much of it. So there is Angel Wings. And I'm using the e.l.f. small tapered brush. So now I'm going to dip it into, what was it called? Translucent Ice. This is the one that I purchased on my own. It wasn't part of the mystery bag. This one is a little harder to blend in. Boy, I feel very wrinkly today. I definitely think I like the loose one better. They do look very similar. I just feel like this one was easier to kind of blend into my skin. What do you guys think of that? I know it's always harder to tell on camera than in person. Actually, this one is looking pretty good now. If I look at it from a little farther away. Let me just kind of blend those out a little bit. It's very pretty. So now I'm going to tap into this blush topper. And I'm using a Luxie Precision Foundation brush. And I'm just gonna kind of, I am not like a frequent blush topper user. I actually, oh, that like totally accentuated texture that I didn't even know I had on my skin. So, not a fan of that. So let's see what other texture I have on my skin. Yeah, I mean, I just am not a super fan of a blush topper. I don't typically use them. I think they're probably better for the summertime because that's when I want to have more glowier skin. This one I just don't like because it totally has accentuated the texture that I have right here. I don't feel like the highlighter has accentuated any texture on my skin. I do think I'm going to use that other highlighter. I'm just going to use it down the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to take, I feel like this may have been like one of their signature ones. This is Unspoken, so it's more of a champagne-y highlight, and I'm going to use that down the bridge of my nose and on my Cupid's bow today. It seems like a good, like, more, I don't know if natural is the word, but maybe it is. So I'm going to keep playing with those, but that's kind of, you know, my first impression use of them. So let's go ahead and put some of these shades on the eye. I'm going to start out with the Vintage Champagne. That's this shade right here. And I'm just going to pop this. I am not using a fixing spray because I just want to see, guys, that. So that is no fixing spray. That is really, really pretty. You definitely don't need a fixing spray. I am going to pop it on again though, wet, just to see how shiny we can get it. So pretty. So pretty. I feel very helter-skelter right now, I think, because I filmed half of this yesterday and half of it today. Note to self. Film it in the same day. So we're going to go in with that purple shade now, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not going to spray it at first. This is Wicked Plum. Okay, let's spray this and see. That's not quite as shiny as the champagne one, so I'm going to give this one a spray. Definitely better sprayed. Oh, those are so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and put on the other shade for the inner corner highlight. I'm just taking a Luxie mini flat angled brush for that. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I love it for inner corner highlights now. So I'm going to take that. Is it Invisible Gold? This is such a unique shade. I was kind of playing with it last night. So it looks almost white, but then when you put it on, it's got this like really gold shift to it. I hope you guys can, like, there it's gold and then it goes white. It's just really pretty. So I'm going to put that in for my inner corner highlight. That champagne color's got an interesting shift too. You can see when I open my eye up. So interesting. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line, finish it all up, and then just talk about the shadows. Alright guys, I am back with the look completed. So I'm just going to go over kind of what I think about these so far. Remember, this is just a first impression. It is my first time using these. If I am blinking a lot, I have got a hair going right across my iris that I cannot get out. And I want to film this before I totally mess my makeup up getting it out. So overall, I don't so far like this as a blush topper, but I will try it as an eyeshadow. It just accentuated some texture on me. So highlighters, I really like them. So far, I think they're beautiful. The eyeshadows probably are my favorite thing of this order. This one that I got in my mystery bag, one of my favorite things that I got. Really like the other ones. I think these are really good quality products so far. And that's really all I have to say about them. Obviously, it's my first time using them. I will continue to use them, give you guys an update. They do still have a mystery bag in their Etsy shop. It just is more expensive than it was on Black Friday, so you can pick that up still for the deal. I will go ahead and link everything down below so you can check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have an amazing day. If you've tried Vanessa's Vanity, I would love to hear what your thoughts are on it as well. Please subscribe before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!